2026 is the year that may actually change the crypto industry forever. Welcome back, everybody. This is Moses Dlamini. I am your expert here at Moneyfest World School. And yes, today we are going to break down how the crypto industry has ended in 2025 and what do we anticipate for the year 2026. And I'm telling you, it may not be what you think. So sit tight. If you like this video, always never forget to leave a like. Also subscribe to this channel. And what else? Let's get started. So many of you have realized that as the year 2025 has come to an end, we finished the year with an expectation of an October. You know what October is? The month where the price of crypto normally goes up, especially Bitcoin. This didn't happen. Let's see, why didn't this happen? The main reason was just simple. The US interest rates have been kept up higher and higher throughout the year. The Federal Reserve has not cut interest rates. And what does this mean? This means people don't have readily available capital to spend in buying instruments like crypto and altcoins. So a period where we expected crypto to rise in value, the opposite has happened. It has either been stagnant or falling. Why? Because of lack of liquidity, because of lack of enough investors in the sector. And the other thing is, there has been a lot of regulation throughout 2025 from the US government, from China, and also from the European Union, all of them coming to regulate the crypto industry. Is this good or bad? We are going to see very soon. The other thing we've also realized, ladies and gentlemen, is crypto dominance, Bitcoin dominance has been extremely high even when the price of Bitcoin is falling. Now, can I tell you that this is actually very good for long-term investors? This is very good when the price of Bitcoin starts to fall to previous levels, and not just previous levels, to previous strong support levels. That support level we are looking for is the $74,000 level. When the price hits that level, we are going to see what will happen. Now, this is what we call a consolidation. What is a consolidation? It's simple. This is when a trend that has been going on for quite a long time starts to stagnate. It starts to neither go up or down, or actually, if it has been going up, it falls down for quite some time. But what happens during this time is the most important thing. During this time, big companies and investors get into more positions. And when I say big companies, I'm talking about people who are having billions of dollars. They start to scoop coins at a cheaper price, accumulate them. And when a catalyst, which can literally ignite the market, comes in, you may see one of the biggest bull runs in the next year. So, what about the altcoins? What did it face? Most of you have realized that most altcoins like Solana, Ethereum, Manto, Sui, any other altcoins, they have all failed to have an out season. They have failed to gain in price. Why? Because Bitcoin is dominating them. Because most of the money is still in Bitcoin. And now, the main reason is this. Some altcoins that have been actually all around have got liquidated. Why? Ladies and gentlemen, let me compare this to a garden. Hey, all of you, you have had a garden before, or maybe you know how gardeners do. In a garden, you may have, let's say, potatoes. You may have a crop you want to grow. But alongside that crop, weeds may grow. Now, if you want the right crop to grow, what do? You do what we call weeding. You start plucking out the bad crops and leave the good ones. This is exactly what is going on right now in the crypto industry. Yes, we are looking at extremely small projects that had occupied a lot of capital, literally getting thrown out of the window, leaving us with projects that are actually very promising, projects that actually add on value to the crypto industry, which means that as this weeding process gets finished, we are going to be left with extremely strong projects. An example of the garden. If I weed every single thing around my crops, what is going to happen to the crops? They are going, ladies and gentlemen, to skyrocket. Yes, if it is mangoes, they are going to put in a lot of mangoes. If it is potatoes, you are going to harvest one of the biggest harvests if you weed well. So, what has happened at the end of 2025 is a preparation for a cleaner, for a safer, and ladies and gentlemen, for a well-regulated crypto industry. And somebody may ask me, all right, Mr. Moses, what should we look out for in the future of 2026? Now, this is easy. If we have weed out most of the small coins, it leaves us with more than $1 trillion of capital to work with, to invest in the few coins which are left. The few coins which actually have value. Can I tell you that the next combination is going to be artificial intelligence? Many coins which are coming out today, they are based on the artificial intelligence economy. And remember, 2026 is going to be the year of artificial intelligence. So when we combine crypto with artificial intelligence, 2026 may actually be a year of phenomenal returns in the world of crypto. So I hope you are prepared. I hope you are going to prepare as, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin comes back to settle onto previous support levels of 75, even around $68,000. We may see the price actually revamping up, kicking off, if not one of the biggest altcoin runs in the history of crypto. So, are you ready for 2026? Are you ready to take advantage of it? All you need to do is simple. Of course, go and teach yourself, go and search for more information on how to invest in the world of crypto. I know 2026 may be a few days away, but at least you can do one simple thing. Prepare for it. Markets to watch out for, that is going to be the AI sector in the crypto industry. Most coins which are coming out based on artificial intelligence, they may see a massive increase in value. And when Bitcoin settles around, dominance comes down and it gives way to altcoins. Yeah, 2026 may be a year you may never forget. Now that you know the main outlook, the general outlook of the year 2026, what we anticipate, question is, what are you going to do about it? Are you going to sit and think, oh, I don't know what? Well, you have the knowledge. I want you to go prepare for the year 2026. At the first in January there, if you want to buy a coin, wait for the market to settle out. But wait when it begins there, February all the way up into June, you can look out for the coins that you want to go and invest in. And if you do it, the rest is going to be history. Well, I don't know how you found this video. I know it has been very educative for you. And if it was interesting, remember, click that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Moneyfest World School. And yes, let me know in the comments, would you like to get more videos like this? If so, click that bell icon and see you in the next one.